see how much wider the beam is, how much brighter it is. The other one is very focused. There, so today I've got some Terminator LED lights I'm going to be putting in my 2004 Chevy Silverado. These are HB3s, which are the high beams. So I'm going to figure out which ones the high beams are. So they do come with some light. I do recommend you putting them on whenever you're going to be handling the bulbs themselves. But I am not going to be handling the bulbs right away, and it does come with some new O-rings, very nice. This is what they look like. I'll go ahead and show you the outside. It's just some LED lights on the outside, and it just hooks in like it's supposed to. So I'll go ahead and get the light out, and we can get this thing installed. The thing about these is very easy to take the lights out. Basically that off, and I'm going to take a look at the back here, make sure I got the right ones. Okay, so this is the HB4, this is the HB3. So we'll go ahead and just give this a twist, and the old ones come out. I'm going to go ahead and my gloves on because I don't want to ruin old bulbs, because the old bulbs are still good, and I'll put those into the back of the car, so if something blows, at least I have a backup. No sense in ruining it, right? I'm going to take a look inside of here real quick. It's hard to do since I put the gloves on. Okay. Inside here we have what feels like documentation, maybe. Okay. These are just regular documentation and whatnot. Okay. Light bulb in. So I'm going to go ahead, and these O-rings I just read are, if it's too loose, you can put these in. These are a little bit thicker than what the other ones were. So I'll go ahead and take one of these out. Such. It just comes off. I'm going to use for the old ones. The new ones just snap on. And I'll go ahead and bring the camera around so you can see. So the new one just snaps in here like this. And you just go ahead, put it in. And these will only go in one way. That is kind of loose, so I'm going to be using the extra O-rings that they gave us. Not sure if I'm going to be able to do this with gloves on, but we'll give it a whirl. Once this open, I get one of these O-rings out. I can put my glove back on. Okay, it says it's loose for two. Use the backup O-ring replacement for the original O-ring. Interesting. I guess we just put it over top like this, and it goes around like that, I'm guessing. So let's give that a whirl. See if that's like, yeah, tighter. He's in. Yeah, there's talking. I heard it click. So I'm gonna go turn the car on, and then we'll see what happens. I just want to make sure that it actually lights up, and wow, that is really bright. Holy heck. I mean, the light, can you see that? That is crazy. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and this one on for now, and then later on tonight I'll put one in so we can actually see how they look. All right, so I have one in and I have one out, and you can definitely see the difference on this. That is absolutely crazy bright. I love it. I can't wait to get this thing out on the road and see exactly how dark it is. I did this because I didn't want to shine it into my neighbors too far, but you get the idea. You can see how much wider the beam is, how much brighter it is. The other one is very focused, and again, this is just the high beam, so very cool. I'm super impressed. I can't wait to see what these look like out on the road. So if you're looking for an upgrade on your lights, check them out. I don't think you'll be disappointed.